Water, they say, is life and is very good for our everyday use. But the access to good potable water seems to be very challenging in some parts of Lagos, and even more challenging in Ilaje community. The Ilaje community is a community in Bariga, Lagos, Nigeria, with a population of over 2,000 people with no proper borehole and good potable water.
My name is Rafiat Abdulaziz. I'm resident of Ebute Ilaje community here. I live around here. We don't have water. Water is our main problem here.
We really need water in this community, and I'll be happy the government should provide a good water for us.
The absence of good water has made some of the community members resort to buying water from water sellers, popularly known in Lagos as Mariwa, and those that cannot buy water have to make do with the poor quality water that they can get from their boreholes. In an interview with some of the community members, they shared their struggles with the lack of proper boreholes and potable water to use.
There is a aboki that push truck to sell water for us. Then one truck is 800 naira if there is light, but if there is no light, they may sell it 1 to 1.5 upward. So the issue of water, it has become something else to this community particularly.
Omi jìnnà sí wa púpọ̀ níbí báyìí láti rí omi, kò sí omi tó dára. Then àwọn aboki tó ń bá wa pọn mi wá, truck kan 1,000 naira ni wọ́n ń tà fún wa.
A máa ń sọ́fà omi gan, a kì í romi pọn. A lè ra omi tó máa wọ bí 30,000 lóṣù. So a need omi lébùté. So a bẹ̀ àwọn ìjọba wa àti iná. Iná náà ń jẹ wá ń yà.
Having poor quality water to use can cause many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, and many others. It also goes a long way to affect the health and well-being of the people in the community. But what can be done to provide proper borehole and good quality water to the people?
My name is Semitope Shugbamu. I'm a senior lecturer at the University of Lagos, and I'm trained as an environmental toxicologist and pollution management specialist. In this project in the Ilaje community in Bariga, Lagos, it's a project that is being funded by the Association of Commonwealth Universities in the United Kingdom in collaboration with the University of Lagos and the Bariga Local Council. And our focus is on identifying water security solutions and climate change adaptation, especially for the communities that live here. Now, we co-created the challenges to the issue of water quality and access through the Knowledge Exchange Program funded again by the ACU last year with the local community members. And we identified issues around the quality of their water, the almost lack of access to water in certain areas and limited access in other areas. And this being a problem to them, including health-related issues that they have for those of them who have access to water but poor quality water.
In finding solutions to their water problem, Dr. Geraldine Anuku talked about some of her findings during her investigations carried out at different locations in the community.
I am Geraldine Chibuzo Anuku, a geophysicist with the Department of Geosciences, University of Lagos. I am working on this project with Dr. Shugbamu, who is our project lead. And as a geoscientist, we utilized geophysical and geochemical methods to determine the groundwater quality in this area, Ilaje community.
Some selected community members were also trained as citizen scientists or community assistants assigned to different areas in the community to carry out water quality tests in the community.
And so within this water security solutions part of the project, we've engaged some community assistants who we identify as citizen scientists and trained them in using low-cost, accessible water quality test kits. We train them in using these test kits to test their drinking water and be able to evaluate the quality of the water based on certain parameters. And from the results that we've received through the citizen science water quality tests and the scientific investigation, we've identified some areas that have pathogenic bacterial load, especially in some boreholes in some locations across the Ilaje community. And we've also identified from the water quality test kits some parameters which are actually outside of the standards or limits for water quality. The next phase of the activity is for us to bring these results of the citizen scientists through the community assistance, the research results, and the feedback from the focus group discussions that were done across small hamlets within the community, to bring it to a formal gathering where we discuss this result with the community, and then we co-create potential action plans for how to resolve these diverse issues on the quality, but also the access to the water.
The Baale of Ilaje community and some of the community members expressed their joy and satisfaction to the ACU and University of Lagos for the project.
I am the Baale Ilaje Bariga, High Chief Kayode Ayetiwa, the Oba-elect of Bariga. In fact, I'm very, very happy for this project inception that take place in my palace today.
One thing I'm very glorious and joyous about is that we are now seeing the developments needed in our community.
It is our joy in our community that we have this program coming to our community.
I'm very happy, and I acknowledge funding to me as the co-PI for this case study in Ilaje. I'm doing this project which is proudly funded by the ACU.